Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This printer is HP Deskjet 3772 and this one is HP Deskjet 3755. You switch it on from here, and likewise this is the on button here. Okay, so bring it out. The paper will rest here. Okay, if you open it up, okay, this is the ink cartridges holder. With this printer now, I can see this is the LCD screen. This button here is for you to copy color. This is for you to copy black. This is the web. And this is the Wi-Fi button, information button, resume and cancel. Okay, and this is this one here, sent in. Okay, you can see the ink cartridges. And this is the rear paper feed. Rear paper feed. So now with this printer, to remove the ink, press, okay, and for you to remove the ink. And to install the ink, what you need to do, you need to go in, so the color goes to the left and the black goes to the right. You just need to go in, push it upwards, and the same thing is applicable to this. So go in, push it up. And now this printer, before you do anything, first of all, put this printer in a wireless mode. And to do this, you need to press the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together. Okay, to put the printer in a wireless mode. So press the Wi-Fi and the cancel button together. Okay, and you can see the printer will start to flash. The next thing to do is for you to go ahead and look for this printer using your phone. Go to your Play Store. Okay, type HP Smart App. HP Smart App, open it up. Okay, download it on your phone. Once it's downloaded, click it open. This is HP Smart App. And this is the HP Smart App, okay? Now, to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, what you need to do, you need to go to plus sign, okay? Then choose the type of printer you want to add a new printer, start. Okay, then select Wi-Fi. Okay, select Wi-Fi. Then select continue. Select continue. And it will ask using location, device location. Select OK. And allow HP Smart App to access device location. Select only this time. Turn the Bluetooth on. HP is asking to turn the Bluetooth. Select allow. Okay, and once the Bluetooth is on, it will start to search for available device. So what it's doing now is searching for this printer. And it's also showing us my printer is not listed. Select again, search again. Like I said earlier, you need to make sure you put the printer in a wireless mode by pressing the cancel and Wi-Fi button. Okay, select find my printer. Connect device to HP. We use a temporary Wi-Fi. You can see HP setup HP 3700 series. Select on it. So if you found the printer, okay, and it's communicating, the next thing to do, you need to select continue. Now what it's going to do is going to pick up the network for us to be able to connect this printer. And as you can see, you found the network available. So I'm going to select the particular one. Now connect printer to Wi-Fi network. So what I'm going to do now is to put the password. I have the password here. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the information? You get the information for the Wi-Fi from the back of the router. Okay, so I'm going to put the password, then we'll go ahead and follow the instruction. If we ask you to put capital letter, put capital letter. If we ask you to put a small letter, so it's case sensitive. Okay, and I'm happy. You can also press the I sign to check if information you put, if you're happy with it. I'm happy with the information. Then the next thing we need to do is we need to select done. Okay, select continue. And you can see printer is found. Okay, so the printer is found. The next is prepared, printer prepared. The next now is obtaining the IP address for this printer. IP address obtained. Finishing connection. Here we go. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network, and you can see it. So this printer now is connected, and if you look here, you will see that the Wi-Fi light is steady, and also the web light, okay, all of them are now steady. This is to show you that the printer is connected. The only thing that is missing here is for us to load the paper. But now this printer is connected. You just need to select continue to go ahead and finish up the connection. So this is exactly how to connect this printer. Now the next thing is for you just to add a paper. So this is the paper. You can just add small amounts and adjust it accordingly. This is the paper tray here. Okay, so this is how to load the paper. Okay, and you can see it's showing us 0. If you remove this paper now, you will see a warning sign. Okay, it will also show you that the paper is missing. You just need to load the paper and go ahead. So at the moment, we just need to wait for this process to complete. You can load various sizes of paper. You can load A4 paper. Now the next thing is you need to find the pin. Okay, so to find the pin, okay, the next thing to do is open up the printer here. There's a pin number. Okay, in case you're connecting this printer, this is where to find the pin. Okay, to go ahead. So the pin is here. So you need this pin to be able to finish up the connection. Okay, so I'm going to add the pin. Okay, once you put the pin number, click submit. And you can see it's telling us thank you for waiting. Checking the printer status. Once you put the pin number, then here we go. So it's getting ready. Okay, connected printing service. Click accept all. Just need to select click accept all. Okay, now it's asking us create an HP account or register to sign in. I've already have account with HP. You can also skip this. Okay, I have account already. Select sign in, or you skip this. The reason I will encourage you to sign in is for you to be able to scan and do so many things. You can see select to continue. Once you sign in to the HP account, you're able to go ahead and scan document and do so many things with this printer. So it's getting ready. But this is exactly what things you need to do for you to be able to use this printer. Now, you see auto update. Select automatic update. Select apply. Here we go. Setup complete. Let's print. So now once you've done that, you just need to select print a document. You can also skip. Okay, now select print. Click OK. There we go. So it's printing the document. The next thing is asking us now print from other device. You can send the link or not right now. Select not right now. Okay, here we go. So this HP Plus. And it's showing us the printer here, HP 3700 series is ready. Okay, and this is the printer. Welcome. So guys, this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel.